area of the figure given below. First up, let's think about how this shape is. This here is a wonderful triangle. If we find base and height, we are through. We can find area of this triangle. Let's name this A, B, C, D, E. A point here is F, a point here is G. This here is a rectangle. So if we find length and breadth, we found that area. This shape with C, E and F sitting there, that's a quarter circle. DGB is also a quarter circle. Pi r square by 4, pi r square by 4. Now let's look at finding the dimensions. So this is 3.5. This should be 3.5. This should be 3.5. So both of these quarter circles have the same radius, or we are talking about a semicircle with radius equal to 3.5. So far so good. So we need to find DE. The whole length is 4.5. We lose 3.5 here and 3.5 here, or we lose 7. The remaining part is 7. So now we come to this rectangle in the middle. Rectangle in the middle has width of 3.5, length of 7. This is 7. This is 7. This is B, C, E, D. This shape. This is 7. Right, so we've carved out the two quarter circles as a semicircle. We've carved out this rectangle. Now let's go to this triangle. We know A all the way to D is 15. DB is 3.5. Or if you think about A, B, C, this is 7. This is 15 minus 3.5, which is 11.5. 15.0 minus 3.5, which is 11.5. So this area is 7 into 3.5. This area is half into 7 into 11.5. This area is a semicircle with radius 3.5 centimeters square. Let's add these three up. We'll get the area of the overall region. So semicircle, which is pi into 3.5 square by 2 plus half into 11.5 into 7 plus 7 into 3.5, which is 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 23 by 2 into 7 plus 7 into 7 by 2. I'm just writing 3.5 as 7 by 2, 11.5 as 23 by 2. 1 7 gets knocked off. This becomes 11. This is 11 into 7 by 4 plus 7 into 23 by 4 plus 7 into 7 by 2. The 7 into 7 by 2, I'm going to write it as 7 into 14 by 4. Because a by 4 we can then take outside. So 1 by 4 we can take outside. There's also a 7 common into 7 into 11 plus 23 plus 14. 11 plus 23 is 34. 34 plus 14 is 48. So this is 1 by 4 into 7 into 48. 48 by 4 is 12. 7 into 12 is 84 square centimeters. This one.